my God, it's fate. I thought I told you you shouldn't be out here hitchhiking. It isn't safe.
Don't be silly, Floyd. I wasn't hitchhiking. I was waiting for you.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
You know, Summer, since I first met you, there's something I've been wanting to ask you.
Oh, yeah? What's that?
Well, the thing is, I don't quite know how to say it. I don't meet many women in my line of work.
Uh-huh.
There's some things about me you probably ought to know right up front.
Like what?
I'm an outlaw. A bandit.
Really?
Yeah, I'm not bragging about it. It's not something I'm proud of. But you should know, you get mixed up with me, there could be trouble. I'm a wanted man. Things could end up bad, like Bonnie and Clyde bad.
I see.
Knowing that, you think you'd do me the honor of going out with me Saturday night?
Sure. Sounds like fun. Sounds nice.
Really?
Yeah.
Even though I'm a fugitive?
Well, you're not dangerous, are you?
Oh, shoot, no. I don't think so.
Well, then I'll take my chances. What did you do anyway?
Oh, that? The less you know about that, the better. For your own protection.
All right, then. Give me a call about this weekend.
I'll be calling you.
All right. I'll see you later, Floyd.
See you later.